Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so I get notified anytime I post out new content. So if you're running my Faceless YouTube channel and want to add a personal touch to it without showing your face, then you're in the right place because today I'm going to show you an amazing free AI tool that lets you create your own custom avatar for your own YouTube channel. And it's perfect for giving your channel a unique identity while maintaining your privacy. And you could use this avatar on your other social media platforms, okay? So you're not just going to get to your YouTube channel. So whether you're a gamer, you're an educator, or you're just someone who prefers staying anonymous like myself, then this tool is a game changer. And the best part about it is that it's super easy to use. You'll be able to create your own avatar in just a few clicks and it's completely free. So grab yourself a comfy seat and stay with me to the end of this video. Let's get started. The first step is to go to read.io. I'm going to leave the link to read.io in the description box below as usual so that you can go download it. And I must mention that I also do already have a tutorial. Actually, I do have a whole playlist on AI avatars. So after this tutorial, if you think you would want to try out another AI tool for creating avatars, then I recommend the video I created a few weeks ago on AI avatars. I'm going to link it in this video as well so that you can go check it out. So when you go to vid.io, you'll be asked to create a free account. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to sign up with Google. It would sign up with Apple or with Microsoft or with any other email. So once you click the sign up button, it's going to bring you to this dashboard you see here. So you basically need to put in your name. So Lenny. And the next step is it's going to ask you to set up your team. Let's say you have a big team and you want to invite other people to join your team, then you need to upgrade to invite more collaborators. For me, I'm watching alone, so I don't need to invite any collaborators to join my team. So I'm going to click continue. It's basically asking what I'm going to use Vid for. So I'm just going to click on personal and click on continue. And then the next step is what do you want to accomplish with your video? So me, it's much of my YouTube channel. If you're new to my YouTube channel, and my YouTube channel is basically focused on providing tutorials on latest AI tools, latest technology app to help you grow your audience or your business. I'm just going to click on educate on a particular topic and I'm going to click on continue. And it's asking how often do you or your team create videos. So I usually release a video once a week. So I'm just going to click once a week and I'm going to click on continue. And one last question, how did you hear about Vid? So I found the Vid through a Google search. I'm just going to click on search engines such as Google, Bing, or Yahoo. And then I'm going to click on continue. So it's basically showing you the plans here. Like I mentioned, creating your own avatar, you'll be able to do it on the free plan. So you don't necessarily need to pay for anything upfront. But I'm just going to talk about the plans available for a second. So there's a light plan and then there's the full plan. Obviously, if you have like a bigger company, then you would want to consider the enterprise plan. So the light plan is $12 a month, and then the pro plan is $29 a month. And with the light plan, it offers you unlimited watermark removal. It also auto-generate subtitles, able to export your videos in full HD, able to access 50K royalty-free assets, able to auto resize for YouTube, IG, and X. You have that your 100+ video template. But most of these things occur in the live. I do have other ways of getting them done, though I will continue with the free version. I'm just gonna say not live now, and I'm basically eventually to this dashboard. But so you'll be able to record your videos using vid.io. It either create project or you could record your videos or you could create your own avatar using vid.io, which is what the purpose of this tutorial is about. Or you'll be able to sort of take clips from your long form videos. So for instance, if you wanted to create shots from your long form videos to use on other platforms such as LinkedIn, such as Instagram, like created Instagram Reels or TikTok videos, then you would want to use this section here of vid.io for that. I already also do have a video on creating shots from your long form content using an AI tool, a free AI tool. I'd also link it in the video so that you can go check it out. But it's another click on create avatar video because that's what this tutorial is about. Now, when you click on create avatar video, it brings you to a list of avatars that they have here. They do have a lot of options. They have a lot of variety to choose from. So I don't think I really need to upload my own custom avatar. If you wanted to, then you can. But I don't really need to, so I'm not gonna do that. So I just want to go through the list of avatars they have here and see which of these avatars I like. So I'm probably gonna go with Evie here. And in terms of the language, you can choose whatever language you want. I'm just gonna stick with it before, which is UK English, and then I would have to provide it with a script to run for me. So I really don't have any script on hand, so I'm just gonna go to ChatGPT and then ask ChatGPT to create a script, create a shortcut on the importance of BI or businesses. So ChatGPT has generated a script for me, so I'm just gonna copy this, paste it here. It's all about the 3,000 curve parliament. I'm just gonna take the second line. I'm not going to copy all the scripts because it's just for the purposes of demonstration. And I'm going to click on Add to Project. And then once I test on Add to Project, it's going to generate the voice for the avatar. Okay, so script has been added to the project now. So I'm just going to play it output to see how it looks like.
In today's fast-paced world, businesses face constant challenges. But there's a game changer on the horizon. Artificial intelligence.
So now that the video has been generated, I'm just going to click on done, and then I'm going to export that video onto my laptop. So as you can see, it has the watermark on there, and I'm going to show you how to take up the watermarks. I'm going to show you how to embed this video on another video as well. But it's similar, the video has been exported. I'm just going to download it. Okay, so the video has been downloaded onto my laptop. But the next step for me is to open CapCut. So if you don't know CapCut essentially is video editing software. So I use CapCut to edit all my videos. And what I like about CapCut is the fact that it's really simple to use. It's very easy to use. I made a number of tutorials about CapCut as well. I'll link it in this video as well, so that if you get to try CapCut out for yourself, you should be able to do so. Okay, so now that I have this video imported into CapCut, next step for me is my goal will be to hide this watermark here. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go online and I'm gonna download a video which I'm gonna overlay onto this one. I think I already do have some videos I have already downloaded from the internet. I'm just gonna drive those videos into CapCut already. Since we are talking about AI, I think I'm just gonna use this video here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this video up and then bring this video down. Man, I'm just gonna press this video here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on this video and I'm gonna remove the background. I have a video on how to remove the background as well from a video, so gonna link it to this video as well. So now that I've removed the background of the video, as you can see, the logo is no longer there. Okay, yeah, so that is it. From here, if you wanted to add some captions, you just have to click on the captions icon there and click on generate, and then you'll be able to add your own captions to the video. I'm gonna change it to a fancy template. Okay, so now that I've added subtitles to the video, let me play the output so that you see how the final output looks like.
In today's fast-paced world, businesses face constant challenges. But there's a game changer on the horizon. So
that is how the final output of the video looks like. If you wanted to create a website using AI for free without having to code, then you would want to check out my last tutorial video where I talk about an AI tool that makes you build get bytes for your business for free without having to write a single line of code. I'd also leave that on the screen so that you can go check it out. But for now, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.